Hey, my name's Abdul, and I'm going to show you how to send Google Form responses straight into Notion automatically using Make.com. We're keeping it simple, and we're doing it under 5 minutes. Let's just start automating. The 3 things you're going to need is a Notion database, a Google Form that connects to a Google Sheet, and a free Make.com account. If you use Google Forms to collect leads, job application, intake forms, or support requests, this lets you automatically organize the responses in Notion without ever opening a spreadsheet. It keeps everything in one location and one place and running in the background. The first thing we're going to do is create a Notion table. So we're going to go into Notion, sign in, and we're going to create a new empty database. And then the first column is needed by Notion. So we're going to keep that, but we're going to call this entry name. Next, we're going to put the name, email, and message. And this will coincide with what we'll put on our Google form. So that's all we need for right here. We'll now go into Google Form and create a Google form. So we're going to create a blank. Call this form response. And then we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to have name as a short answer. We're going to have email as another short answer. And we're going to have message as a paragraph. So the most crucial thing about this is making sure that you have the responses linked to a sheet. So it will form responses. Great. It'll create a new one and it's going to open a new sheet. And as you can see, we have the timestamp and the 3 fields that we created before. And I like to publish just so I can copy this link to test. Okay. So from here, our last step is to go into Make.com. So we're going to log into Make and create a new workflow. Create a new scenario, Google Sheets, and we're going to be watching for new rows. We will have to connect to our previous Google Sheet, which is no problem at all. And just go through the prompts basically. And you choose your Google Sheet. So we called ours form response. So it will be this one. And then it'll be response 1. And we're going to change the limit to 1 because we just want it to create 1 by 1. And then we can just have all saved. From here, what we'll do is we're going to also connect Notion. And we're going to create a database item. So basically this will send that entry from the Google form into Notion. Public, save. That's our Notion sheet that we created. And then what we're going to do here is choose from list. And we're going to click search and query search, leave it blank and press OK. And since it's only 1, it will automatically bring everything in. But this part right here is very important. This is basically what entries you want to come into Notion. So for entry name, I actually want name dash email. For email, I want email. For name, I want name. And for message, I want message. Very simple, huh? And then, so now we're just going to create a Google form and test it out and make sure it works. So name, we're going to just do just testing, email, just test at gmail.com, and hello world. Submit. And what that will do is it'll bring 1 line right here. And in Make.com, if we ran, as you can see, it had 2 green workflows. And then if we look in the database, this is our automation. If you like this tutorial, hit the like and subscribe. I'll be dropping bite-sized automation videos a few times a week to save you time and simplify your workflows. I'm also offering a free 15-minute AI strategy and the links are in the bio. Till next time, cheers.